Goldmedal A water level alarm device is an innovative solution designed to monitor and alert users about water levels in tanks, cisterns, and other reservoirs. This device helps in preventing overflow and water wastage by providing real-time alerts when the water reaches a predefined level. The system typically consists of a water level sensor, a controller, and an alarm mechanism. The sensor continuously detects the water level and triggers the alarm once the maximum level is reached. Goldmedal's water level alarm is highly reliable, featuring a clear auditory or visual alert, which can be a buzzer or light, to warn users about the tank's full status. This prevents overflows and ensures efficient water management. The device is easy to install and comes with a durable construction suitable for different types of water tanks. Its energy-efficient design makes it a cost-effective solution for both residential and commercial applications. The alarm system ensures peace of mind by preventing potential water wastage and the damage associated with overflowing tanks. Ideal for domestic, industrial, and agricultural use, the Goldmedal A water level alarm device offers an affordable and practical solution for water conservation and management.